Welcome to the Frontiers of Evaluation, where environmental sustainability meets development. The pandemic has shown clearly that human health and environmental health are closely intertwined. At the same time, climate change is here today, not somewhere in the future, causing wildfires, floods, droughts, and other weather anomalies that take a human toll and threaten our ability to produce food. Climate change is not the only environmental problem that affects human development and welfare. Ecosystem and biodiversity loss, pollution and waste, not least plastic pollution, all pose serious problems to life on Earth. The common cause of all these challenges is human activity, caused by unhampered growth of population, cities, and the ever-expanding consumption and demand for raw materials. This has led to the deepest expansion of our footprint into natural ecosystems in human history.
Evaluation today can only be relevant if it recognizes the interconnectedness between human and natural systems. Projects and programs cannot be evaluated in isolation or in a vacuum. For the first time, we take you through evaluation approaches, starting with theories of change, which encompass contextual factors and demonstrate how human and natural systems relate. We then take you through evaluation methods which stress the importance of taking a systems approach, also examining the unintended and unanticipated effects on the environment and broader development. We draw on innovative methodological frameworks of additionality and transformational change pioneered by the Global Environment Facility's Independent Evaluation Office and the many partners in evaluating environmental sustainability programs and projects. So join us in this interactive and engaging course and bring your own projects and examples as well. Looking forward to seeing you.